This is my Arduino powered stepper controller. I use it to drive the tailstock on my milling machine. It's got a, I don't know, like a 50-volt power supply from eBay. Got a stepper, an import stepper controller from eBay. It's a Sane Smart. That's a Sane Smart LCD module hooked up to an Arduino. Just uses a USB power supply. It's got a couple switches to cut power to and from the stepper, so you can turn it off and make adjustments while it's running. I just built it all onto a little control board. I want to put a plastic case on it, but I just haven't got around to do that. I want to make sure it works before I go to too much trouble. You supply your input for the Arduino from this joystick. It's got a, left. You can move it left, right. It's got a green button. It's set up right now. I use the joystick to record the motion that I want the drill to go through, and then it's set right now so that when you push the green button, it'll go ahead and play it. You can control it's got a knob right here that you can use to control the playback speed. So let me fire it up on the milling machine. We'll get this guy spinning, and if you look over here, I just made a simple mount to the to my tailstock hand wheel. It's using an XL style belt. Just drilled and tapped a couple holes in the tailstock assembly, and then you can see I just sandwiched this pulley on here. So now if you step back and watch the whole thing, I go ahead and start it. It's already lubed up and ready to run. So you can see it's running. This tells you what it's doing. So you can actually go in and edit these steps so that if you're not happy with exactly how they are, you can go in and edit it. And then here's the business end. I'm doing a peg drill. This is some aluminum. It's really gummy stuff. So I make really small cuts to break the chip. I lube it with WD-40. I think they make a special aluminum cutting lube. I'm not using it. I just grab some WD-40. I'm reading online. It seems like a lot of people do that. But here it is. It's retracting itself out. It's done. That's it.